Jai Shri Ram. This is a wonderful Subhashita. Listen carefully. The meaning is actually easy to understand. Deepo bhakshayate dhvantam kajjalam cha prasuyate yadannam bhakshate nityam jayate tadrishi praja. Yadannam bhakshayate nityam jayate tadrishi praja. The lamp eats darkness and it produces lamp black, soot, messy. In the same way, according to the nature of our diet, if you are eating meat, chicken, alcohol, and all rotten tamasic food, the children you will produce will also have tamasic qualities. So be careful. Live the Bhagavad Gita and follow the diet prescribed by Sri Krishna. Jai Shri Ram.